Magandang umaga sa atin mga kapatid. So tatalakayin natin ang buhay ni Alice Reyes. Tara, sabay natin talakayin ang buhay ni Alice Reyes. So, patay na. So, ang tatalakayan natin. So, simulan na natin magtalakay. Mag-research tayo dito. Ano tayo dito sa Alice Reyes sa Wikipedia. So, ito na nga ang details kay Alice Reyes. So, kay Alice Reyes, sabi dito, Alice Reyes born on October 14, 1942. No, so, pinanganak siya noong October 14, 1942. Known siya as a Filipina dancer, choreographer, teacher, director, and producer. The founder together with Eddie Olivier of Ballet Philippines. She received since June 20, 2024 from the Philippine President Benigno Aquino, the highest national artist of the Philippines. She was chiefly responsible in popularizing contemporary dance with Alice Reyes Dance Company, which staged the first modern dance concert at the Cultural Center of the Philippines main theater in February 1970. It was this company that later became a Ballet Philippines. She is the best known for Bungkus Suit, Carmina Burana, Romeo and Juliet, Rama Hari, Cinderella, Amada, Itim Asu, and Tales of the Manubu. All of now said real Filipino culture, gesture, and grace. Early life of education about Alice Reyes. Reyes was born on October 14, 1942, like what I said earlier. At a very young age, Reyes took up a lesson in classical ballet under a Rosalia Marino while studying at the Marknell College, where she completed Bachelor of Arts degree and is foreign service. Soon after she took postgraduate study and Ateneo de Manila University, she further trained under the guidance of Leonor Horacio Goquinco and Ricardo Casel of the Philippine Women University of PWU. In addition, she took up the folk dance at the Bayanihan Philippine National Folk Dance Company. Went to America and enrolled in a formal course in a modern dance and jazz. In New York, she took the opportunity to take more formal study in Sarah Lawrence College in Westchester Country in New York. First marriage and divorce. Reyes was once married to Dick Upton, the current treasurer of the Ballet Philippines. But they got separated in 1982. Upton later came out as gay, and married his partner Elmer. Retreatment. Reyes retreatment from Ballet Philippines in 1985, but still served as its artistic director until 1989. Her decision was motivated mainly by her desire to live with her second husband, Ted Van Dorn, and their family is in California. She started using her married name, Alicia Van Dorn, when created for artistic effort. During this time, She resumed using her maiden name after officially become a national artist. After Reyes left, Ballet Philippines went through a string of artistic directors, most notably Paul Alexander Morales, who served for more than 8 years, and Alan Heinlein, a choreographer and dancer who was born on Brooklyn, New York. But now, in the base of New York, Heinlein also served as a chief operating officer of the Ballet Philippines, overseeing complete rebranding of the organization. So, marami pa po ditong details about kay Alice Reyes. So, hindi ko na po ito babasahin lahat kasi na out of place na po ako. Sobra-sobra na po yung oras. So, yun lang po muna. Marami dito, etc. etc. So, yun lang po muna. So,